So congratulations, you have came a long way till here. We have talked about keyword research, found out what is our best keyword for our web page. We built our web page. We imported our website and our web page in Google Search Console, and we have done a lot of things, and that's great and really a huge step in SEO. But the final part, which is also important, and without that, you will not get the result that you really expect. So the last part is to drive traffic to your web page. Now, this is not just about Google search or search engines like that. Let's say you want to rank on YouTube, okay? It's exactly the same. You create a good video on YouTube, you publish it, you add all the tags you need to, but you have to drive traffic to it. If your video has 20 views, 100 views, it's not gonna go somewhere, right? But if you somehow find a channel to drive 2,000, 10,000, 100,000 traffic to your video, not only that video will be solved, will rank higher in YouTube search result, but also all of your other videos will be affected. The same way, the same thing is gonna happen here. If you just bring a lot of traffic into one page, create one good page and work on it from SEO perspective, bring a huge amount of traffic to that page, it will affect on all of your other pages and your website, okay? So what we are going to do in this part, we are going to focus on different channels. We're going to talk about them, learn different ways to bring traffic to your web page, and together we're going to practice. All right, so let's go for the next one.